don't know. But he's trying to walk away, and they're like, nope. What the? Oh my God. What the? What the? Not okay, dude. That is not okay. What the? No, you done, dude. What the? No.
Okay, I want to add something right here. You can see both of his hands are up before Ryan tases him.
His hands are free! His hands are free! His hands are free! What are you doing? His hands are free! His hands are free! His hands are free! What the? His hands were free! Yeah, I sure do! I fucking whole video! I'm so sorry. His hands were free, dude!
I want my kid!
His hands were free!
Dude, what the?
Recording.
Let's go! I haven't done this.
She's not here. Okay, so we got Very, you're right. I know, it's okay. What's your name?
Hey, I don't think she wants to talk to you either, though. So why don't you step back with all of us?
She has Mercedes.
I have a warrant for my arrest. For what? Not showing up to court? Yes.
Okay.
Oh my God.
So,
Everything's fine at the moment.
She fucking tased me. You bitch.
We're over on.
Get my shit. Get my daughter.
Yep.
Hey, get my daughter. Get my daughter.
I have your stuff.
She's in here. She's right here in the corner. Okay.
Sounds like a couple overprotective aunts who then probably confronted him about him being too drunk.
Yeah, that's why I didn't.
So, yeah, I think we don't have anything else. Right?
I'm not sure why we took the kick. But I was talking to him, and I'm like, I didn't really see the bloodshot watery eyes right off. Like,
Okay.
he wasn't slurring. He definitely wasn't slurring. He was articulating everything.
Okay.
The only thing is he's trying to get away.
Because he had the warrant. He knew he had the warrant.
I didn't know he had a warrant at the time.
Oh, right.
But
Okay.
that's all that I'm like. That's why the kid got. I'm not sure why the kid got taken initially, because he was talking, but there were so many people that he started to try and get away, and that's when we.
Sounds
were
like a bunch of girls, teeners,
Yeah.
over dramatizing everything. Okay. No. Nope.
Thank you. Yeah, that's exactly what I came to.
So just get kid info
Yep.
and
Baby
aunt.
info.
Yeah, baby info, aunt's info,
I
and
did get those.
we're done.
Okay, you have mom's info.
Yeah. I didn't get her phone number. There's going to be nothing further here. We're just getting some identification from everybody. It's just going to be the 1080 for the warrant.
Yep.
What's our location? 23 at the gate.
His folks are trying to get it. Palmer unit, they are screwing at everyone. She's saying that their security are trying to get them to leave.
In 10-4, they're advising he's going down the east side of the Faire, our east corner.
The what? Can you bear that?
Going down the east side of Faire.
East.
Hey, Tane, do you have eyes on it?
Hey, where are you?
They have one detained? Yeah, I'm coming. All right.
Go down a little bit.
Down.
Hey, do me a favor. If you guys aren't part of this, let's keep moving, please. Let's just give them some space. She's over here.
Wait over here.
Who's this? Okay. Do you know Mr. Cook?
Yeah. Base routine, go ahead.
Does he have custody? Does he have custody of the child?
Yes. Nobody can take my kid away from me. I have custody of him.
Affirmative, go ahead.
Okay.
Here,
Nobody
why don't
can-
you come talk to me real quick?
Please and thank you.
All right. So
Please and
Jeffrey
thank you.
Cook.
Okay.
Please and thank you.
Okay, hold on.
No.
Yeah, let's just put her down in the wagon.
No. I ain't putting nobody down in no wagon, dog.
Stop.
Back the
You're
fuck
gonna-
up.
Come on. Trying. Get the baby.
I had baby.
Okay. Stop resisting right now. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. You will be tased.
Brutality! Ow! Ow! Police brutality!
Get on your stomach.
Ow!
Get on your stomach.
Police brutality! Police brutality! Ow!
Put your hands behind your back now.
Ow! Police brutality!
Brother, his other hand.
Give me your hand, bro! What the?
Give me your hand.
What the f, nigga?
All right.
Get the fuck up from me, bro! Hey, bro! I just want my kid! I just want my
Stay
kid!
back right now.
Dude, what the f? I just want my kid! Yeah, what the fuck? Why are you calm down, bro? Let go of me! Let go of me,
Base 13. Base 13, 1080.
You bitch! Fuck you, bitch! Let go of me, bro! Fucking done it!
He has a warrant. Base 13. Also begin.
Hey!
Alright. Begin at 8. Drive stun deployed.
What the fuck? Let go of me, dude! Let the fuck go of me! I haven't fucking done anything! Dude!
warrant for your arrest,
Dude, let go of me! No. I haven't done anything!
You have a warrant for your arrest.
Yeah! Let go of me!
And your gun.
You're a bunch of bitches.
Roll over close to me. All right.
Yeah, you keep saying it.
Up underneath.
You. I have a warrant for my arrest.
Yes, you
for
do.
what? Dodging up to court?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, so you have to violently fucking tase me? Get my shit. Get my daughter. Hey, get my daughter. Get my daughter, bro. Hey, let go of my wrist, bro.
No.
Let the go of my wrist. You.
Doesn't matter. Mine's right here.
I fucking hate you! I didn't do anything. We go to a fucking concert with my daughter. F you, nigga.
Here, so
F you. I hate you. I fucking hate
It's
you.
unlocked.
You're the fucking police.
should be.
You. You're a bunch of ass
And-
motherfuckers.
Good.
I took my concert. My daughter to a concert. You're a bunch of niggas. I hate you. F you. Ah!
Back.
You.
Sit back.
Fuck you! You sit back, bitch! Bunch of bitches! You ain't even no man! Fuck you! You get served by the law! You were treated by the law! Fuck you!
Alhamdulillah.
Who has the child?
Hey, talk for a minute.
Where?
You're good. You're good. Take a rest.
That's how square that guy was last night.
Okay. Shit. Okay. I don't know.
Go check the child.
Yeah, let's do that.
Where is he at?
Do you wanna, or do you wanna stay in here? I'll walk back with him. My glasses are on the ground, so I'm gonna go grab those.
Bro.
Are they?
Yeah.
Okay, well I'll go get a new one from the house. I can still take them. Yeah. Just chuck them.
I'm trying to find my leg on here, but I don't remember what.
Hey, are you good?
Do we have a leash? Yeah.
Yeah.
I just want to make sure you're good.
Yeah, I'm good. Do I?
No, sure ain't. I just want to make sure you're good.
I got you.
Oh, you need to make him sign the medical clearance.
I do not. Absolutely not. You guys want to know something else?
Maybe.
I can hold the leash for you.
Get that around. We'll pull, once we get on around his legs, we'll pull this out the door, close it, then we'll tie a knot in this. I got it. Bob comes in handy.
Dude, I was in a corner and you guys tased me, dude. What the f?
Stick your feet out.
Please get out of here.
Stick
I
your
didn't
feet
do
out.
anything to anybody, dude.
Stick your foot out.
What
I'm gonna grab
I
this one.
didn't
got
even
this one.
do. They just tased me out of nowhere. Bro, this is a lawsuit. F you guys, dude. This is police brutality. I didn't do anything, dude. I had my daughter at the
All right.
dude.
Put your feet in.
What the f is this bullshit?
Yeah.
Bro,
You won't stop kicking.
fuck you guys, dude.
Put
I
your foot
tried
in.
to get out of here. You guys wouldn't fucking talk to me. Dude, f you guys, dude.
I just need to get him over to the pre-trial.
Hey, Fred, you let your child know what happened with the one with the warrant. I'm sure they can just tell the charge was filed. We'll start with the warrant.
All right.
Just
Did you tell him the welcoming party?
Huh?
Welcoming party. You guys are good? Yeah.
welcome to the party.
No, welcoming party.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Just like last night. Did you let them know that he's quite
You're a piece of shit.
Those your cuffs? I'll bring it back to you. All right.
You're a piece of shit. Fuck you.
There we
You're
go.
a bitch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good? All right, 10-19.
Did you want to take me out?
What?
Fuck the lawyer. I need a fucking
Good tired. Hey, just think. We only have 9 hours and 45 minutes left.
You're a hoe.
Okay.
That's all I gotta say. You're a hoe.
All right.
You're a fucking hoe. Hoe ass.
I have
Yeah, you
Jeffrey
got
Russell.
your checked by the fucking police. You're a hoe. Hoe ass bitch. You never got your kids taken away. You hoe ass bitch. You don't know how I feel. Hoe. Hoe. Yeah, hoe. Hoe ass. Worthless ass. Hoe ass. Hoe. Ho, 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 ho.
Hey, hold on a second.
Ho, ho,
Hey, dude. Myself and five are clear, and then I came over to security.
ho, ass. Police brutality.
Hold on. Okay, what you got? Hold on. Very. I would say I haven't done a PBT yet, but They haven't done a PBT yet, but yes, he is intoxicated.
That's not slightly aggressive.
Oh my God. Hold on. Base 13, who was that for? 16 different people trying to talk to him.
Sure.
10-4. All right, go ahead.
Buddy.
Sorry.
No worries. Take your time. We got all night.
You may not get it for a while. You may not get it for a while. Do you want to get him on DC or anything else like that?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Okay.
Cook. 03.
Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so we'll just do the warrant then. Okay, sounds good. Bye.
We'll do him a favor and just do the warrant.
Yeah. Okay.
You know, being a cunt shouldn't be hard.
Sorry, this is not off yet.